Have you ever checked your bank account, stared at the number, and whispered, is it just me, or does adulthood feel like a subscription I didn't sign up for? Yeah, same here. But what if I told you, seriously, that you might actually be doing far better financially than you think? Today we're breaking down the real signs of hidden financial success that most people never notice. While we spend our days worrying if we can afford groceries and rent in the same week, we convince ourselves that everyone else is out there winning at life. You know, those people who supposedly go on 3 vacations a year, buy cars that look like spaceships, and magically never run out of money. But here's the truth. Most people are terrible at recognizing their own financial progress. And social media? It's basically a highlight reel of people pretending their credit card debt is living my best life. If this video helps you see your financial life with a little more clarity and a lot less panic, hit the like button. It helps the channel and maybe helps someone else who's panic Googling, "Am I horrible with money?" Before we get into the signs you're doing well financially, let's zoom out for a second. A recent survey showed that nearly 60% of people couldn't handle a $450 emergency without borrowing money, using a credit card, or praying to whatever financial deity they believe in. Let that sink in. A single tire replacement, a sudden medical bill, a fridge acting like it wants to retire early. Any one of these sends most people into chaos. Meanwhile, these same people might be driving cars with payments that swallow 20 to 25% of their income, living in apartments they barely afford, and buying things specifically to impress people who don't even notice. This is the normal everyone lives in. So if you're judging yourself based on a world where chaos is normal, no wonder you think you're behind. But chances are you're doing better than you believe. Let's get into the signs, the things that genuinely indicate your financial foundation is stronger than you think. Sign 1. You pay your bills on time. I know. It's not flashy. It's not Instagrammable. Nobody's posting a selfie captioned, "Just paid my electric bill on time, #blast." But here's the truth. If you consistently pay your bills when they're due, without juggling dates, borrowing money, or sacrificing essential payments, you are already ahead of a huge percentage of adults. Paying bills on time means 3 things. 1, you have predictable income. 2, you have basic financial organization. And 3, you are not living in monthly crisis mode. This is not bare minimum. This is financial stability at work. Sign 2. After covering actual necessities, you still have money left over. Not necessities like your streaming subscriptions, your weekly Thai food delivery, the deluxe version of a phone game you definitely didn't need to spend money on. I mean real necessities. Housing, groceries, utilities, basic transportation, essential clothing. If you cover those and still have money left over, even $40, even $120, you've crossed a threshold most people never actually reach. This isn't about the amount, it's about consistency. A predictable surplus means options, and options are the beginning of financial freedom. Sign 3. You save something regularly, even small amounts. $15 a week? That's nothing. Nope. That's discipline. And discipline compounds faster than interest. Most people live in what I jokingly call the earn, spend, repeat hamster wheel. If you're putting even $20 a week into savings, or building an emergency fund, or dropping money into a basic investment account, you're not just surviving the month, you're preparing for the next one and the next one after that. This is a mindset shift, not a dollar shift. And mindset is 90% of long-term wealth. Sign 4. You don't jump to upgrade your life every time your income goes up. You know lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade your apartment. You get a bonus, you buy a new phone. You get a better job, suddenly you need a new car. If your instinct isn't to level up everything the moment you earn more, congratulations, you're ahead of most people who will always feel broke no matter their income. Maintaining your lifestyle while your income grows creates something incredibly powerful.
Sign 5. You don't lose sleep over money. Financial stress creeps into everything. Your health, your relationships, your sleep, your confidence. If you can lay down at night, close your eyes, and not spiral into financial panic, that's a sign your finances are stable, even if the numbers aren't huge. It means you're not drowning. You're not afraid. You trust your ability to handle things. That's financial success. Not the flashy stuff. This. Sign 6. You consider purchases thoughtfully, not desperately. Financially stressed people ask, can I afford the monthly payment? Financially healthy people ask, do I even want this? Will this add value to my life? Is this a smart use of my money? This ability to pause, just pause, for even 10 seconds is a huge shift. Impulse buying rules people who are financially unstable. Intentional buying rules people who are financially grounded. Sign 7. When problems happen, you actually have options. Your phone breaks, your tire blows, your laptop suddenly screams like a demon at 3 a.m. If your reaction isn't, oh no, I literally can't afford this, but instead, should I repair it? Replace it? Upgrade it? That's wealth. Not billionaire wealth, but functional wealth. Real life without panic wealth. Options are a luxury, and if you have them, you are ahead. Sign 8. Normal social activities don't trigger a financial crisis. I'm not talking about trips to Paris, weekend getaways, festivals that cost a half paycheck. I mean, a coffee with a friend, splitting a pizza, contributing $15 for a coworker's farewell gift, going out for a simple dinner. If you can participate in normal social life without a math marathon in your head, that's huge. Many people decline everything, even $12 coffee meetups, because their finances are stretched razor thin. If that's not you, you're doing better than you think. Sign 9. You have multiple ways to access money. Not giant piles of cash, not 6 investment accounts. Even just a checking account, a small savings account, a tiny emergency fund, a beginner investment account, means you're not dependent on the next paycheck for survival. Having more than one pool of money, even small pools, means resilience. Sign 10. You don't constantly talk about being broke. People who are financially drowning, they talk about money constantly. Like, I can't afford that. I'm so broke. Must be nice to have money. Let me explain in great detail why I bought this. When you're genuinely doing okay financially, you don't need to justify, defend, or joke about your money constantly. You don't make money a personality. Financial stability quiets you. Money stops being the main character. Sign 11. Checking your bank account doesn't terrify you. Financial avoidance is real. Some people go days, weeks, even months without checking balances because they're scared of what they'll see. If you can open your banking app without experiencing dread, panic, regret, heart palpitations, you're financially stable. You don't have to love what you see, but you're not hiding from it. Sign 12. You think beyond just this month. People surviving paycheck to paycheck think in 30-day cycles. But if you've started thinking about next year, a vacation, saving for a house, switching careers, future goals, that's an enormous sign of financial progress. Planning requires stability, and if you're planning, you already have some. Sign 13. You're comfortable saying no to bad financial choices. This one is major. You can say, no, that investment is too risky. No, I'm not lending money to that cousin. No, I'm not taking on extra hours at the cost of my sanity. When you're financially insecure, you say yes to everything, even bad opportunities, because fear drives you. When you're financially stable, you can choose intentionally. Sign 14. Financial patience. In a world where everything is buy now, pay later, financial patience is basically a superpower. Most people see something they want and immediately think, I need this now. I deserve this. Future me will figure it out. But if you're the kind of person who can wait, who can think, let me sit on this for a week and see if I still care, you're operating on a completely different level. Patience protects your money. Patience builds your money. Patience is one of the clearest signs your financial maturity just leveled up.
Sign 15. You aren't impressed by someone else's spending. There is a massive difference between, oh wow, they bought a new car, that's cool, and, oh wow, they bought a new car, I suddenly hate my life. If someone else's spending doesn't trigger envy, panic, or a sudden urge to upgrade your life, it means you're secure in your own financial lane. That's confidence. That's emotional wealth. And honestly, that's freedom. Because when you're not chasing what everyone else is doing, you finally get to build the life you actually want. Sign 16. You can handle inconveniences without spiraling. Your AC breaks. Your dentist says, we need to talk. Your pet decides to audition for the role of expensive emergency. If your reaction is not, oh no, this is the end, but instead, okay, annoying but manageable, that's financial stability in disguise. Your emotions aren't ruled by money anymore. Your life doesn't collapse over one problem. That's huge. Sign 17. You're not chasing get-rich-quick anything. People who are financially panicked desperately look for shortcuts, crypto moonshots, sketchy business opportunities, gambling, side hustles that are more hustle than money, anything that promises fast results. But if you've stopped chasing magic fixes, if you've embraced slow, steady, boring building, congratulations. That's what actual wealth looks like. They don't tell you that because it doesn't sound sexy, but consistency beats chaos every single time. Sign 18. You actually track your money. Not obsessively, not through 17 spreadsheets and 12 budgeting apps, just awareness. You know roughly how much you make, how much you spend, what's coming up, and what's sitting in your accounts. This alone puts you ahead of millions of people. Money you track grows. Money you ignore disappears. And the moment you choose awareness, you've already changed your financial trajectory. Sign 19. You don't rely on future you to fix everything. A lot of people leave every mess, every bill, every debt, every overdue task to some imaginary superhero version of themselves in the future. Future me will save more. Future me will budget. Future me will pay off the credit card. But if you take responsibility now, if you're dealing with things in real time, if you're not outsourcing every problem to later, then your financial stability is real. Future you is breathing easier because present you actually shows up. Sign 20. You have at least one financial habit that's automatic. Automatic savings, automatic bill pay, automatic debt payments, automatic investments. It doesn't matter which one. If something in your financial life happens without you needing to remember it, fight with yourself, or rely on motivation, that's a sign of structure. Structure leads to stability. Stability leads to freedom. Automation is the quiet engine of long-term wealth. Sign 21. You're not afraid to ask questions about money. People who feel lost financially often feel embarrassed. They avoid asking for help. They avoid learning. They avoid admitting what they don't know. But if you're comfortable saying, I don't understand this, can someone explain? Or, hey, what does this mean for my finances? You're already on the right path. Curiosity builds knowledge. Knowledge builds confidence. Confidence builds wealth. Asking questions is a green flag. Sign 22. You're building a life, not a flex. This is the ultimate sign. If your financial decisions are guided by your goals, your peace, your values, your future, not by trying to impress people, not by chasing trends, not by comparing yourself constantly, then you are wealthier than you realize. Wealth is not about flashy moments. It's about stability, security, and direction. If you're building your life with intention, you're already successful in all the ways that matter. Remember, if even half of these signs apply to you, you're already doing far better than you give yourself credit for. And every steady step you take is quietly building the freedom you'll feel tomorrow. I'm Dan, and this was Signs You Might Be Doing Better Financially Than You Think. If this helped you see your money and yourself with a little more clarity, share it with someone who might need that same reminder. You never know. A simple video like this could be the spark that helps someone finally get a handle on their finances. And I genuinely love to hear from you. Which sign resonated with you the most? Which one made you think, okay, maybe I'm actually doing all right? Drop it in the comments. Your perspective could encourage someone else who's feeling overwhelmed today. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. It truly means a lot. I'll see you in the next one.